It's like you're screaming and no one can hear. You almost feel ashamed that someone could be that important, that without them you feel like nothing. No one will ever understand how much it hurts. You feel hopeless. Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching. Buried in pieces, like some shattered glass. Now a shattered glass, but it's meaningless bleeding. I will keep quiet, you won't even know I'm here. You won't suspect a thing, you won't see me in the mirror. But I've crept into your heart, you can't make me disappear till I make you. This is not the end of me, this is the beginning. This is not the end of me.